Hey YouTube, I'm going to show you guys what I got from this SPX box break that I broke a couple weeks back, or maybe it was even a month or two ago. Anyways, first rookie was this one, Matt Fran out of 249. Second rookie I got was Cade Fairchild out of 499. And I'll show you my hits. I got 5 in this box, and any hits that equal 5 in a 4-hit box is good in my books. Winning materials: dual jersey, Anze Kopitar. Bruins dual winning combos: Tuukka Rask, Tim Thomas. Rookie jersey: Rafael Diaz out of 799. Rookie jersey auto: Brendan Saad out of 799. Stickers. And my bonus hit, it was a Spectrum patch, Zdeno Chara out of 15. Quite cool, quite low numbered. I hope this card's worth a lot. But it's of the Bruins, and they beat Vancouver last year in the final. So, I don't know. Still cool though. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching.